Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all are good. Yes. So in the last class, what we have studied? We have studied about our earth. We were studying. Yes, new chapter we were studying, and we have studied till water bodies. We have studied what is earth? What is earth made up of? Air, water and land. Okay. So we have studied, and what else? One new term we have studied, it was atmosphere. Yes, what is atmosphere? That is the air around the blanket of air around the earth. Yes, and different water bodies we have seen. Can you name some? Yes, rivers, lakes, waterfall, ocean, seas, ponds. Okay, so you know, you remember till here. Till here we have studied. So today what we are going to do? We are going to study further. So for that, take out your semester book. We are continuing with our chapter. That is lesson number 4, our earth. Take out page number 173. 173. Take it out. Yes. From here we are starting. Landforms. We are starting with landforms. Okay? All have taken out? Yes. Now what is landform? What is landform? Can anybody tell? Can anybody guess? What is landform? Landform. With the term land, yes. Any type of land. किसी भी तरीके का land. Land समझते हैं आप? जमीन. Okay? किसी भी तरीके के there are different landforms. Like there were different water bodies. ऐसे different land के forms होते हैं. Now let's see what are they. क्या लिखा है? A landform is a natural formation of dirt and rock found on earth. Now what is landform? It is a natural formation. Naturally जो मिलता है. We cannot make these are found in nature. Okay? And it can be as large as mountain. Mountain जितना बहुत बड़ा हो सकता है. और as small as a hill. Hill जैसा छोटा भी हो सकता है. There are different landforms we are going to study. Now landform का मतलब आपको पता होना चाहिए any land. Okay, any type of land. ठीक है? Now let's start first one. चलिए, let's read first and then we'll start. Landforms. There are different types of landforms on earth. Flatlands are called plains. Many people live in the plains. River flow through the plains. Now there is picture also given in your book. Okay. Now what they are saying? Flatlands. Flatlands means bilkul seedha, flat. Okay. These are called plains. New word we are learning today. Plains. Now let's read. A flat piece of land. Cities are located on the plains. Now this is the picture of a plain. Now in this there are many cities. Okay, cities are built, houses. Why? Because it is easier to build houses, buildings and roads in the plains. It is very easy to build houses or buildings and roads. Why? Because it is a flat land. Okay, so these are called plains. You need to remember flatlands, they are called as plains. Okay, next. Come to the next page. Highlands are called hills. Now they are saying some highlands. अभी अपन ने देखा flatlands are called plains. Now they are saying highlands are called hills. And उसके बाद लिखा है very high lands with pointed peaks are called mountains. Hills and mountains have a cold weather. Snow falls in the mountains, so many mountains have snow-covered peaks. Now, hills and mountains, one paragraph together they have given. Now, what they are saying? Flatlands, the plains tha. Now, highlands. Now, we read, a hill is a land that is shorter and rounder than mountain. Hill, mountain se thoda chota and it is a bit round in shape from the top. But are higher than their surrounding areas. Hills are generally covered by grass. You can see the picture of a hill. Chote hills you can see, and these are from the top they are round in shape and they are covered with grass. Mainly they are covered with grass or small plants you will find. Okay, so these are hills. What are they? These are hills. Now Now next we have seen mountain. This is a picture of a mountain. Now they are very high and conical in shape. What is conical? Cone. We have studied in maths na cone shape. Cone shape means from the top it will be like this. Okay. It has a pointed tip that is called peak. Pointed tip hoga upar, that is called its peak. Many mountains have snow covered peaks. This peak will be snow covered. Snow hoga, bahut sare mountains, but not all, but many mountains. The highest mountain range in the world is Himalayas. Now Himalayas you have heard and many might have seen also. Himalayas में बहुत सारे mountains आते हैं, एक नहीं आता. Like Mount Everest, K2, Kanchenjunga, many mountain ranges come in the range of Himalayas. Okay, so the highest mountain peak in the world, what it is? Yes, it is the Mount Everest. You need to know that. Mount Everest. क्या है? Highest mountain peak? It's the Mount Everest. Okay, so mountains के लिए क्या बोला है? The climate will be very cold. Why? Snow जमा रहता है, तो it will be very cold. It has pointed peak. Okay, pointed peak है और क्या है? Very high. Okay, very high. So mountains you need to know it's very high with pointed peak and snow. Snow is also there on mountains. Okay, so in this yellow box, let's read. It's amazing. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. Okay, this you need to remember. Next paragraph below the mountains. Low-lying plains between two mountains is called a valley. Now another thing. Low-lying plains between two mountains is called a valley. Valleys are very beautiful. Many people live in the valley. Snow from the mountain peaks melt and flows through the valleys as rivers. Now what they are saying? Next is valley. Now what is valley? Valley is nothing. It is What is valley? Valley is low-lying plain between two mountains. Now ये mountain के बीच की जगह, two mountains के बीच की जगह. Okay. That is the low-lying plains between two mountains is called valley. Low-lying area between two hills or mountains. It's called valley. Snow from the mountains melt and flow through the valley as river. Now, snow है ऊपर mountain के top में जमा हुआ. That will melt. Okay. It will melt and flow down through the, in between the valley. They will flow down as rivers. River बन के वो दो mountains के बीच में से flow करेगा. Okay. So valleys are very beautiful. You can see the picture. They are very beautiful and many people live in the valley. Mountain के नीचे side many people live in that valley. Okay. And rivers flow through the valley. You need to know that. Now next is a raised land with flat top is called a plateau. A plateau looks like a tabletop. Now another landform is plateau. Now what is plateau? It is a land, raised land. थोड़ा सा raised मतलब थोड़ा सा ऊंचा होगा जमीन से and it will be flat from the top. Okay, this is the picture of a plateau. See, this is a raised land, थोड़ा सा raised है, जमीन से थोड़ा सा उठा हुआ है and it will be flat from the top. ऊपर से थोड़ा सा flat होगा. It is known as plateau. It is a highland which is flat on the top. It looks like a table. Table के समान दिखता है ये. इसलिए इसको so it is called a tableland. Tableland भी बोलते हैं और a tabletop. क्या बोलते हैं? Plateau का एक और नाम क्या हो सकता है? Tableland और tabletop. Okay, remember that. Why? Because it's highland, थोड़ा सा raised है and it's flat from the top. Okay, so this is plateau. Now next one is desert. Let's see. Let's read about desert. Large area of land covered with sand is called desert. Desert have very less water and less number of people. Camels are used to travel in desert. Now everybody knows desert, have seen the picture of desert. Yes, What is the means of transport used in desert? Mainly camels are used to go from one place to another. Large area covered with sand. In desert you will find sand everywhere. Desert has very less water, you know, it has very less water. And what is the plant seen in desert? Yes, we have seen that also in plants chapter. Yes, which plant grow over here? That require very less water? Very good. Cactus, you remember now? Yes. And camels are used in desert. So, after this, one more is left. Turn your page. Last one. Last type of landform. Yes. Island. A piece of land surrounded with water from all the side is called an island. Our earth is beautiful. We should keep it clean and green. Now last line is very important. First let's see what is island. A piece of land surrounded by water from all sides. This is an island, picture of an island, and water is there on all the four sides. All the four sides water will be there in the island. Okay. So now last line very important. What they have said? Our earth is very beautiful. Our earth is very beautiful. There are so many type of landforms, water bodies. So we should keep it clean and green. I hope everybody is doing something to keep our planet clean and green. If you are not doing, start doing it. Why? Because if we will not do it, then what will happen? We will have to face many problems. Okay, like you might have heard nowadays government banning what? Crackers. Yes. Why? So much of pollution. Okay, so it is harming our environment. So we have to take some steps to keep our earth. How? What? To keep our earth what? Clean and green. For keeping it green, we have to plant more trees. And how to keep it clean? Not to use, not to throw waste here and there. And how we can keep clean? By using products that are safer for our environment. Okay, so let's revise in this chapter what we have studied. Today we have studied landforms. Okay, so we will revise everything. Earth is made up of three things: land, water and air. Globe is a small model of the earth. A blanket of air around the earth is called as atmosphere. We have seen different water bodies like oceans, rivers, seas, lakes, ponds, waterfalls, yes, and different landforms like plains, mountains, hills, valleys, plateaus, desert and island. You should know all of these. Let's revise. What were they? Plains क्या होते हैं? Flatlands. What are plains? They are flatlands. Okay. And what are mountains? Mountains are very high lands with pointed peaks. In mountains you have to remember pointed peaks that are covered with snow. Okay. What are hills? These are a little bit shorter than mountains and they have round peaks. They have not pointed peaks, they are curved or round in shape from the top, and grass or small plants grow on hills. What is valley? It is the land between two mountains, okay, from where river flows. What are plateaus? Plateaus are highlands, raised land होगा थोड़ा सा with flat top. Plateaus का एक और नाम, one more name of plateau, tabletop. Yes, tabletop. Why? Because it looks like a table when we see from far. What are deserts? Deserts are land covered with sand. Okay. And what are island? Island is a land which has water on all the four sides. Okay. You remember that. So I hope with this our lesson is over and everybody has understood the lesson. For remembering it, kindly read the lesson 3 to 4 times. Okay, children? In the next class, we are going to do the book work and copy. Okay? Have a good day.